Hey guys, welcome back to Just Piddlin Barbecue. Today we're going to do another simple cook that you can do during the week after you get off work. Really simple recipe, so stay tuned. Alright, as I said, we're going to be doing a simple recipe today that you can do after work during the middle of the week. It may seem like it's a little complicated, but it's really not. In the time that it's going to take this Timberline to come up to temperature, we're going to have these chickens prepped and ready to go on. I'm going to start the Traeger Timberline first and get it heating up. I'm going to set the temperature to 375 degrees, and that's the temperature that we're going to be cooking at today. Now, the temperature that you cook at for this chicken, there's really no right or wrong temperature, really. I've seen it done at 450 and I've seen it done at 250, so there's really no right or wrong answer. I'm doing it at 375 because I want some smoke to get on it, but also I want that skin to crisp up, and that's going to get both of those accomplished. All right, we're going to spatchcock these whole chickens. Now, these are whole, what they call fryer chickens, probably 3 or 4 pounds each. There's the breast side. Just flip it over on the back, find that backbone, and we're going to go right down the edge on both sides of this chicken. Turn it around and go right down the other side. And there's the backbone. All right, now we have both backbones removed, but it's still not going to lay flat because of this little keel bone right here. And so if you just put your blade right in front of that and pop it a little bit, you can see how it cracks, and now it's really going to lay flat. Now you can turn it over, give it a little press, and now we're ready to go. Again, on this one, right there on the breastbone, give it a little pop. Now it's going to lay flat. You can hear it crack. Flip it over. Now you've got a spatchcock chicken. All right, now to season these chickens up, before I brought them out here, I blotted them dry really well with some paper towels. That's going to help that skin crisp up some. And now I'm going to put a little oil on them. And seasoning today is going to be real simple as well. I've got some Charlie's Choice Hot, and I've got some Traeger Fin and Feather Rub, and we're going to use that today. Now I'm going to season the tops, the skin side of these birds first, because I'm going to go on skin side down for about the first 15 minutes, and then we'll flip them over. Make sure you get under the wings. Under the legs. All right, now I'm going to hit it with a little Charlie's Choice Spicy Blend. Right over the top. And that's going to be good. So it's that simple. And less time that it took for that Timberline to heat up, I mean, we've spent 5 minutes spatchcocking 2 chickens, seasoning them, and now they're ready to get on. All right, the Traeger Timberline's up to temperature at 375, and we're gonna get these chickens on. I'm going to put them skin side down first. Just like that. Now I'm going to season this side while I've got it flipped over. And now a little Charlie's Choice. All right, it's been 20 minutes. Now I'm going to flip these birds over and let them get some smoke on the other side. Looking good so far. Nice. All right, I believe this chicken's done, but I'm gonna check this temperature just in case. And again, I always take my whole chickens up to a little higher temp than you need to be. So they're 181 inside the breast, 174 inside the breast. So they're done. Go ahead and take them off. I know this other one was done because that end's a little bit hotter. Go ahead and shut down the Timberline and get these birds off. All right, so this is the finished product. Again, a really simple cook, and you can do whole chickens in the middle of the week after work for supper. The whole cook from the time I started prepping until the end of the cook. So really easy, really juicy. Nice and tender. The skin is nice and crispy. That's really the way you want it. 375 for about 45-50 minutes, somewhere like that. You can see the juice inside running right off. Traeger Timberline did an outstanding job, and I thank you for joining me. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber, and until next time, we'll be piddling.